Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Alright. Which row or which column shall I start? Let me scan. I see an 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. How about the number 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And then two in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there, only place for the 2 should be there. And all the tools are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Now we continue with the 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. In the last row, we have now 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. An 8. So, no. Yeah, an 8. So, I cannot place an 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes in that box or in this box. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The other 3 missing numbers are the 9, the 4, and the 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 6 and the 7 are missing. No. The 6 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes. Yeah. I see a pair here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 9. I see here the 4 and the 6 in this column, so no 4 and the 6 in this box. One digit left for the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row, so in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 1 should be here over there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used, I can see. Number 3, yes, digit 1. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In the column next, we have a 9 here. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Well. 6 to 7. Yes, no. These, no. 3, 6, and 4 are missing, yes. How about these two numbers? Those numbers were the 6 and the 4 as a pair. Remember that? I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 4. That means these these two, the 3 and the 5. Still cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 5. No, we have a 3 here. The 5 and the 6 and the 3. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. No, we have a 3 there. Oh. 6 and the 4. 7 and the 5 are missing. I mark them as a pair. Easier to follow. So we have a 5 in this column. First column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. One box left in this column. Third column for the numbers. 3 is missing. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the only two places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Then two numbers left in this third row for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 9. No, we have the 9 here. This should be the 7. 7, almost made a mistake. One number left in this column for the number 3. Then one number left in this row for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final two numbers here in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes again. Alright, do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want, and download that PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you later, bye bye.